Hi, Homeschool Planet users. Today's brief video tutorial is about how to create a report for the class hours that you're tracking for your student. This video assumes you've already set up hours tracking, and if you haven't, you'll want to see our entry on setting up class hours. To print or save to PDF a report of those hours, you'll go to the Reports menu, and then you'll choose the option Class Hours. The first thing will pop up is a brief list which shows you core versus non-core hours tracked for any student you're tracking. In this case, we have Hope, who has done 486 core hours with 205 non-core hours. You can set whether a subject or a class is core or non-core in Settings. The next option is a breakdown by subject. When you select this option, you see the subject areas: English, history, math, science, and then non-core, which would be, in this case, art, electives, and foreign language. You can instead do a breakdown by class in case, like with Hope's schedule, we have two separate English classes. They add up for one grade, but as they're distinct classes, sometimes I like to see the hours for each one. The last option is a detailed report, which will give you a summary at the top of each class, and then below that will give you the date and specific worksheet or assignment and how much time was logged for that. So those are the four layouts. If you'd like to further curate and filter your results, you can go in and choose which students to have, what classes or subjects to include, what school year. You can pick a particular date range. If you just want to see the class hours for April, you can go in and pick a specific, beginning of next month and this month. You can use all these. They do exactly what they say. You'll set your parameters, choose OK, and then choose the layout and report. To print, you'll just choose the print button, give permission, and then most software, but the software for every printer is different, allows you to also save this as a PDF so that you'll have a hard copy, or rather a digital copy, on your own computer. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are happy to help you with this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.